Look at this. Whoa, what is it? This is a magic box, right? Look at this glass, right? This is a glass box. Oh, look at this. What is inside? Whoa, we have so many balls. Right, guys. I think we have something more inside. I wanna try find something. Okay, let's go. Oh, I go to the down. Listen. Some music. Whoa, guys, look at this. Look at this, guys. Whoa, look at this. Whoa, what is it? This is a grand truck, right? This is a grand truck. Whoa, cabin is yellow, right? Look at this. Open the doors. Close the doors. Turn the crank. So nice. Whoa, look at this. Oh, so we have something. Whoa, let's try how work this crank. Open the arrow. So nice. Go down. Take something. Go up. Drop it now. Whoa, so nice, guys. Look at this. Whoa, so beautiful truck. Whoa, so nice. Okay, I think we have more trucks. I wanna find something more. Whoa, guys, look at this. Whoa, this is a Postal truck, right? Look at this, so beautiful truck. Whoa, cabin, look at this cabin. Whoa, front side is green. Whoa, look at these doors. Whoa, door is open. Close the door, please. So nice. Look at this back side. Back side is white, yes, and green too. Whoa, because this is a Postal truck, right? Look at this, guys. This is a mails. Oh, some guys send for us so many mails, right? Need open the doors. Whoa. And now need come here and put it inside. So many mails, right? Let's go. So now we need drop it. Whoa. Okay, drop it. Oh, so nice. Okay, close the doors. Okay, thank you, Postal truck. Okay, so beautiful truck. So I wanna find something more. Whoa, what is this inside? Whoa, look at this, guys. Whoa, look at this. Whoa, this is an excavator truck, right? Whoa, look at this. Whoa, so beautiful. This is so beautiful truck. Whoa, look at this cabin. Whoa, red cabin. So beautiful. Open the doors. Whoa, right. Close the doors, please. So nice. Let's go. Try how he working. Turn the crane. Turn the car. Okay, and take something. And go up. Yes. And need turn. Turn excavator. And now drop it. Wow, so nice. guys, so beautiful truck. Whoa. Okay, I think we have more trucks in the inside. Whoa, go to the right. Okay, go to the left. Okay, don't have nothing. Okay, go more inside. Oh, I have more. Look at this, guys, so beautiful. This is a dump truck. Oh, with orange cabin. Look at this. Open the door. Wow. Open the door. So beautiful door. Whoa, look at this from this side. Whoa, so beautiful. Okay, close the doors. Whoa, look at this from backside. Backside is a silver, right? We have something inside already, right? Okay, guys, need drop it right now. We need up this backside. And now drop it. Whoa, look at this, guys. It was so beautiful, right? Look at this dump truck. Whoa. Okay, try find more trucks. Whoa, 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 look at this, ball jump. Whoa, 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 look at these guys. How do you think what is this truck? This is a garbage truck, look at this. How he can, whoa, go up, go down, open the door. Whoa, okay, look at this. Here too, open the door and close the door. Whoa, cabin is so beautiful and white. Yes, backside is blue. Yes, right, because this is a garbage truck. Okay, look at this. We have something we need. Put it inside. How do you think? What is it? This is garbage. Yes, so many garbage. I wanna try put it inside. Okay, look at this. We have so many garbage inside. Okay, drop it, please. Let's go. Oh my. Whoa. So nice job. Nice job. Garbage truck. Okay. Let's go find next. Okay. Wow. 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 Oops. Oops. We have only balls. Oh, so I think we don't have inside more trucks. So guys, subscribe to my channel please and make button with like please. And the next video was more interesting, was more trucks, right? Subscribe and bye.